Now let's substitute and evaluate with exponents. So here we have evaluate the expressions for the given values of the variables. So here we have various expressions and we have a variable within these expressions where we have to plug in a value for the variable. So let's start off with 1. Here 3x squared minus 3x. Now the question has x equals 4. So wherever there's an x, we'll plug in a 4. So this equals 3 to the 3 plug in 4 squared minus 3 plug in 4. Now here there's an exponent, so we do 3 times 4 times 4, 3 times 4 times 4, and then 3 times 4. Now let's evaluate the brackets. Now we can do some simple multiplication and subtraction. So 3 times 16 would be 48. 3 times 4 would be 12. And you get a final answer of 36. Simple enough. Now 2. Let me just move this onto the side so we have more space to work with. 2. We have 9x squared minus 12x minus 39, where x is equal to 5. So same process, just plug in 5 for x. We have 5 squared minus 12 times 5 minus 39. So we have 9 times 5 squared is just 5 times 5. 5 multiplied by itself 2 times. 5 times 5 minus 12 times 5 minus 39. Evaluate the brackets. 25 minus 12 times 5 minus 39. Now let's evaluate all the brackets. 25 times 9 is 225 minus 12 times 5, which is 60, minus 39. And now all of this would be equal to 126. Finally, we have a negative number that we have to substitute in. But same process, let's write down the question. And now let's plug in our value we have. So 2 times negative 9 squared minus 4 times negative 9. So same process. Negative 9 to the power of 2 just means negative 9 times negative 9. So we do negative 9 times negative 9 in the brackets. Minus 4 times negative 9. Let's evaluate the brackets now. This would be 81 because a negative and a negative make a positive. And then 9 times 9 is just 81. Minus 4 times negative 9. Now let's just evaluate all the brackets. 81 times 2 is 162. Negative 4 times negative 9 would be positive 36. And finally, let's just add these up. 162 plus 36 would be 198. So that's it for reviewing exponents for today. So let's just go over a quick recap of what we did. We started with this investigation, just exploring how we can use exponents in actual questions in the real world. A quick definition of what exponents actually are. Rewriting expanded forms into exponential forms and exponential forms into expanded forms, finding the pattern between bases of negative numbers, and substituting and evaluating with exponents when given variables and the values of those variables. So that's it for today.